This. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at the vine. It's so strong and so beautiful. But look at this zucchini. Look at him. Look at him. He's so big. So we're about to take him off. Y'all, he's so big. Look. How beautiful. Look how big. Y'all, come on. What is this? What is this? What is this? Is my arm. I'm so happy. So happy. I'm so happy. Okay, so dinner is served. I love these yummy mashed potatoes with coconut milk, country crock plant butter. Incredible. Okay, you guys, dinner is served. All right, let's try this plant-based shrimp. I pick it up at my Asian supermarket. You can pick it up at yours. We bought this now for the past, they've had these plant-based shrimp for like 10 years, 11, 12 years. Anyway, different. Let's see if it's got crunch. girl. Potatoes, fresh from the garden. Zucchini. So delicious. And then on the side, I put some fermented cucumbers. Fresh from the garden. And I did some tomatoes as well. I really love those with my mashed potatoes. Delicious. I hope you guys try this recipe.